A botched tree trimming and a burnt jumper are among the reasons for the blackouts this week. Here is more from Renetta LaFleur.
On Sunday, we had just about 3 megawatts of reserve capacity at a time when our demand was about 84 megawatts, and of course our available generation was about 87 megawatts. There were a couple of machines that were out. On Monday, we had a report of a burnt jumper on one of our feeders coming out of Kingston. On Wednesday morning, just about 8:45, we experienced a disturbance. That was a result of a tree trimming exercise that was taking place at the Atlantic Hotel Inc. on Battery Road.
In these instances, the power company immediately worked to restore normalcy. On the Essequibo coast, it was explained that on August 1st, the Wartzilla engine experienced a fault.
We literally lost just over 2 megawatts of available capacity. So what we had to do for the duration of that day was to effect a load shedding schedule between Anna Regina and Charity. So there were some villages between Anna Regina and Charity that received electricity for approximately 12 hours, and then of course the other villages that were out at that point in time, then received for the other 12 hours.
The acting CEO apologized for the inconvenience. He is urging citizens to be careful when carrying out exercises close to GPL's network. Renetta LaFleur for InfoHub.